Dear students, in our last lecture we have completed the double angle formulae. Just you recall it. Here, see here, double angle formulae. In that, first formula is sine 2 theta is equal to 2 times sine theta into cos theta. Then cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sine square theta, or it is also equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and it is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. These two are other forms of the double angle formula for cos ratio. Main formula is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Similarly, tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. And then another formula, double angle formula for sin ratio is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Just by adjustment we get this formula. Okay, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So here, as we have completed all these double angle formulae, also we have completed some additional double angle formulae. These two are same, sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta, but another formula that we have discussed is 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. See here, it is obtained from this formula. It is obtained from cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We get 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. Similarly, we get 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, and other two are 1 plus sin 2 theta. 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta bracket square, and 1 minus sin 2 theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta bracket square. So these are also important formulae. Now today we are going to discuss the half angle formulae. Okay, our concept is multiple angle, trigonometric functions of multiple angle. Now if you observe the LHS and RHS of every formula, then what do you observe? See here, left hand side contains the double angle. See here, first formula sin 2 theta, and right hand side, in the right hand side there is a single angle theta. Here also left hand side is 2 theta and right hand side's angle is theta. If you observe every formula, then you will get this observation. Okay, see here, here also 1 minus cos 2 theta, right hand side is theta. So what will you say about this? We can say that it is the conversion of double angle to single angle. If left hand side contains double angle, then it becomes a half to the right hand side, means 2 theta becomes theta. I will write here to the every formula, 2 theta becomes theta, means it is the half of this angle 2 theta, and its half is theta. Now with this observation, now we are going to write the half angle formula also. Okay, so let us discuss half angle formula. Now as 2 theta becomes theta, with this knowledge I will write the first formula, that is sin theta is equal to, now if I take theta angle on the left hand side, then by this observation sin theta you will get it as 2 times sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Just like this, if 2 theta becomes theta, then here in this case theta becomes theta by 2, half of that. So that's why it is called as half angle formula. If you want to study this independently, then you can prove this by the same technique that we have done, or that we have used here for sin 2 theta. Now theta can be expressed as sin theta by 2 plus theta by 2. Just in the proof of sin 2 theta, we have expressed sin 2 theta as sin theta plus theta. Like that, here we can write theta as theta by 2 plus theta by 2, and by the use of compound angle formula this can be written as sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 into sine theta by 2. If you want the proof separately, then you can write like this: sine A plus B. Sine A plus B means sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B, like this. And hence we get the RHS, that is, if you observe this carefully, then it is equal to 2 times sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So this is nothing but the RHS. So just by observation we will try to write, not we will discuss the proof of this all these formulae. Just by using double angle formulae we will discuss half angle formulae further. So sine theta is equal to 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Now let us take second formula. If I write cos theta here, then cos theta will be equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2. Again here theta becomes theta by 2 on the right hand side, and it is also equal to 1 minus 2 times sine square theta by 2, or it is also equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So see here carefully. Now third one, tan theta. See, formula tan theta is equal to, just like tan 2 theta, I will write it as 2 times tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2. So all these are called as half angle formulae. Now we will discuss the additional half angle formulae. I will write here additional half angle formulae. Additional half angle formulae. Now in this case, first of all, I will write the important formula as 1 minus cos theta. Now you know that 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 times sine square theta. So here it will be 2 times sine square theta by 2. Then second one, if I write 1 plus cos theta, then it is just like 1 plus cos 2 theta. Then it will be equal to 2 times cos square theta by 2. Then third one, just like 1 plus sine 2 theta, I will write 1 plus sine theta. Then I will get cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2 bracket square. And fourth one, if I write 1 minus sine theta, then it is just like 1 minus sine 2 theta, and we get it is equal to cos theta by 2 minus sine theta by 2 bracket square. So with the knowledge of double angle formulae, with the complete knowledge of double angle formulae, we will discuss the half angle formulae also. Here the technique is what? As a multiple angle, if the left hand side contains the double angle, then it is converted to the single angle, means double angles becomes a single angle, means half of that. So by same way, if you observe this, then if the left hand side contains theta angle, then it becomes a theta by 2 on the right hand side. That's why all these are called as half angle formulae. Now let us take one example to understand the concept of multiple angle. See the left hand side, we have to prove that under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus 2 cos 8x is equal to, we have to prove that it is equal to 2 times cos x. Now see how will you prove this. So for that I will write LHS first. So let us take the LHS. I will write it as, see, this is the first root 2 plus, in that another root is here 2 plus, Now in that third root I will take 2 common and I will write it as 1 plus cos 8x. Okay, see the root here. I will take 2 common from it. Now as per our knowledge, we know that 1 plus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x means we know that it is equal to 2 times cos square x. Now as per the multiple angle technique, if I write 1 plus cos 4x, then what we have to write? I have to write 2 times cos square 2x, because as 2x becomes x, so here 4x becomes 2x. Similarly, if I write 1 plus cos 8x suppose, then what we have to write? Here we have to write 2 times cos square 4x, 8x becomes 4x. So with this technique we will solve all these roots. So let us see here. To the next step I will write 2 under root 2 plus under root 2 plus, now under root, now here in this case this 2 is as it is, into 1 plus cos 8x can be replaced as 2 times cos square 4x by this formula. Okay, by this formula we get this. So what happens? See here, I will write 2 plus under root 2 plus, now here in this square root there is 2 into 2, 4 times cos square 4x, 4 times cos square 4x, and its root is there. So root of 4 times cos square 4x, we get it as 2 times cos 4x. So root will get cancelled here. Just observe here carefully. Under root it is 4 times cos square 4x. So you can remove the root sign and you will get the term 2 times cos 4x. Now in the similar way, if you adjust the terms, then I will write under root 2 plus. Now in the second root, now there is a 2 common, and if I take 2 common, then I have to write 1 plus cos 4x. Now again here I will apply 1 plus cos 4x is equal to 2 times cos square 2x. Then I will get, see here, 2 plus under root, this is 2 as it is, into 1 plus cos 4x is replaced as 2 times cos square 2x. Okay, so see this carefully. So next step, again that root can be removed. I will write this one as it is plus, now under this root there is a 4 times cos square 2x and its root is there. So if you remove the root sign, then I have to write this term as 2 times cos 2x. See, so that root also will get cancelled, and again for the remaining root, if I take 2 common, then I will get, in bracket I will get 1 plus cos 2x. Now as per the formula, 1 plus cos 2x means it is nothing but 2 times cos square x, and if you observe this carefully, then it is under root 4 times cos square x, and by taking its root you will get 2 times cos x, and this is nothing but the RHS. So here, as we have studied the double angle formulae, where double angle converts to single angle, by that knowledge here we can apply it for 4x also. 4x becomes 2x or 8x becomes 4x. So this is the concept of multiple angle. Okay, so see this carefully. This is very important example to understand the concept of multiple angle. So today we have completed the revision of double angle formulae, and with the help of that double angle formulae we have discussed the half angle formulae also. Okay, thank you.